These are today's Biotech stock news. Kyverna presents positive result from its phase 2 trial for stiff person syndrome. The primary and secondary endpoints were statistically significant, and patients recovered motility. The stock initially skyrocketed 50% at the open, but is now losing momentum, holding on to a 30%, and right now, not bad. Kyverna was one of our portfolio bets, so the results have turned out as expected. This is great news for our portfolio after what happened with Rezolute. Tomorrow I will release a special video about Rezolute to discuss what we can do. Don't miss it. Subscribe. Okay, we continue with more news. Milestone received FDA approval for the use of its spray for paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia. The stock was up significantly in pre-market trading, but has now lost all its gain, minus 3% at the moment. Next, ADPT announced an agreement with Pfizer to identify a specific T-cell receptor in rheumatoid arthritis. And the stock is trading at 0% right now. What happened with these approvals and agreement with Pfizer that the stock are failing to rally? Come on! Next, Fortress and Cyprium received a complete response letter from the FDA in September. The FDA communicated that they could not yet approve the drug, saying manufacturing and production issues. Now, Fortress has theoretically corrected those defects, and the FDA will review it again on January 14th with a new PDUFA date. In this case, yes, the stock is gaining more than 10%. It has fallen 40% on the day the CRL was announced. Will it recover losses? Let's see. Profusa reaches the endpoints for its peripheral arterial oxygen monitoring sensor. This was presented at a conference over the weekend. Another stock that was up in pre-market but is now down 15%. What the hell? Next, Dyadic reached an agreement to sell its recombinant growth factors. FibroGen received orphan drug designation for myelodysplastic syndromes, and Sanofi presents phase 3 results for multiple sclerosis that fail to meet the primary endpoints. See you tomorrow.